Meaning of delivery.
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 Delivery. Delivery refers to the process of transporting goods or services from one place to another, typically from a seller to a buyer. The result of delivery is the successful transfer of the purchased item to the intended recipient within a specified time frame. This can be achieved through various means such as shipping, home delivery, or pickup at a designated location. Delivery is an essential part of e-commerce and plays a vital role in customer satisfaction by ensuring that products are delivered in a timely and efficient manner.